Ramil Madriaga is a polluted source. He is facing kidnapping with murder charges. In 2021, one member of the anti-kidnapping gang was killed. The PNP member of the anti-kidnapping gang. And then they were arrested in 2022, 2023. That's why he is in jail. And now we're going to give credence to a polluted
Chair.
affidavit.
Point
Madam
of
Chair,
order.
no,
There is
Madam
a
Chair.
point of order,
Let us clarify,
Honorable
you're trying to
Rodriguez.
protect somebody who is a polluted source. In fact, in the cases of the
Honorable
Supreme Court.
Rodriguez, there's a point of order.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Let's hear the point of
Premature.
order. The Honorable
Source and the related statements with respect to the issue of his credibility be stricken off.
Tama na yung pagtanggol mo, Rupo. Grabe ka. Kaya naman iimbitahan si Madriaga at gusto nga patunayan kung totoo yung mga sinasabi ay laban kay Sara. Ba't ayaw mong pumayag? Gago ka talaga. Gago. Takwil mo ang bayan. Kampihan mo ang mga Duterte. Kung saan ka pupulutin ngayon. Loko ka.